we belong together, and you know I'm right. Why do you love me and leave me and never say goodbye? 'Cause I can't sleep at night without holding you tight. There is some I just break down and cry, pain in my head. Oh, I'd rather be dead, spinning round and round. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Miss Natalia. Salamat sa interview.